Buying a used Escalade is one of those things that seems way more glamorous than it is. You picture yourself rolling up with heated leather seats and everyone thinking you're some sort of local gold king, but then reality whacks you with repairs and fuel bills. The first pain point, depreciation. Escalades drop faster than a new movie on Netflix. The second you drive a new one off the lot, thousands of dollars evaporate from its value. Used is definitely smarter if you can avoid the headache models. Start by searching for the year range you want. Honestly, models from 2015 and up tend to have fewer catastrophic issues. Cadillac finally worked out most of the bugs with their electronics and engines by then. Anything older is often a rolling collection of warning lights. Mileage is where most buyers get snookered. Under 80,000 miles is ideal. Above that, consider how many $1,900 suspensions or $1,400 infotainment screens you're prepared to replace. The Escalade has a taste for expensive fixes, especially as it gets older. You always want service records. Pro tip, if the previous owner can't produce a fat stack of paperwork, run for the hills. Escalades are not set-it-and-forget-it vehicles. A neglected one will drain your wallet faster than a Vegas weekend. Crawl around the undercarriage and look for rust, especially if you're buying outside Portland or anywhere with salted roads. Rust on an Escalade spreads like a bad meme, and repairs can quickly turn into the price of a new used Honda Civic. Check the air suspension. This is the Achilles heel. If the truck sits lower on one side, sounds like it's gasping for breath, or the ride feels like SpongeBob SquarePants on a trampoline, the repairs usually start at $2,000 and go up. Ask how long the current owner kept the Escalade. If they've only had it for a year and are suddenly selling, that's usually a flaming red flag. Either they hit the iceberg you're about to run into, or they were never ready for Escalade ownership. Don't ignore the electronics, because a glitchy infotainment system or dead seat heater is a massive hassle on a luxury car. Try every button and switch. Dealership fixes aren't cheap, and the average owner will ignore issues for as long as possible. Negotiate. The average used Escalade sits on the market for twice as long as a Tahoe. Sellers know the audience is smaller, so come in bold. Offer way under asking and see what shakes out. In my experience, you can get 10 to 15% off sticker, minimum. Don't skip the pre-purchase inspection by a mechanic. It's not optional. Escalades hide their problems under a glossy paint job. Spending $150 now saves you from spending $5,000 fixing a mystery problem in 6 months. At the end of the day, owning a used Escalade is about swagger and comfort, but also patience. If you're the kind of person who hates surprise bills or doesn't like tinkering, maybe dodge this particular land yacht. Otherwise, enjoy gliding past everyone in traffic.